What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry, I know it's been a long time since I've last uploaded, but I've been really busy with med school. I know a lot of you guys have asked me, Jonathan, how's med school? And I haven't really had the chance to answer that question for y'all. So before we get into all that white coat stuff, I want you guys to watch this clip because I think it's really illustrative of how med school is like for me.
Oh!
Oh my god. let's just watch that one again. It's pretty good.
Oh! 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 Oh!
Okay, beyond the fact that that video clip is just straight up amazing, I really like it, and I think it's illustrative of med school. Because in med school, there's all these new and amazing experiences that I get to go through, but along the way, there's also a lot of growing pains. And we get to see a little bit of both in that video right there. But yeah, back to the topic of this video, the white coat ceremony. As many of you guys know, we're currently going through a pandemic, which has honestly turned our entire lives upside down and changed everything about our lifestyles. For me, one of the big things that has changed is the way that I get to celebrate my white coat ceremony. Thus, I just took a montage of a couple videos so that you guys would get to see through my eyes how the white coat ceremony is a bit different from those in the past.
Jonathan C.
So, if you guys have been following my YouTube channel, you guys know that I make most of my videos for laughs and giggles. But this video is actually an exception. But before I continue, I want to share a proverb that I really like. It takes a village to raise a child. The reason why I shared this proverb is because this video is actually to thank each one of y'all. I know, based off my subscriber count, based off my views, that most of you guys, or almost all of you guys, have not clicked on this video by accident. And especially if you guys have made it this far, I know it's because each one of you guys loves and cares for me as a friend, because you're family, because you're a counselor or mentor, or even an auntie and an uncle. So I wanted to make this video to thank each one of y'all for the part that you've played in my life. For whether it's making me a better person, whether it's helping grow me into the man that I am today, helping me to develop my integrity, and also importantly, helping me all the way to this point in my med school journey. This white coat is not a representation of just my personal accomplishment, but it's a representation of the efforts that each one of you guys have invested in my personal life. And I'm so thankful for each one of you guys, and I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart, all the way from Kalamazoo, Michigan. I'm going to wear this white coat proudly because I know it's a representation of all the love and care that each one of you guys have invested in my life. I hope to make each one of you guys proud. I'll see you guys soon.